Hello everyone, today is Tuesday, January 13th, and we are finishing up our project today. So you're going to go here to modules, and we're going to go to the Bioethics Group Project tab. So at this point, here's what you should have done. You should have this Google Doc done with all your research and shared with me. And you should actively be working on your Google Slides. You should not be done with those yet. So make sure if you've made those Google Slides, you have shared it with me and all the members of your group so you can work on that together. So today you're going to finish making those Google Slides. If you need a reminder of what those should look like and what they should include, click on this link right here that shows you what it should look like. And that'll bring you to this, which is an example of what your Google Slides should look like and what should be included where. So that's the very first step. Finish your presentation. After you finish that, the substitute teacher will have 3x5 cards. Grab one from your sub and make sure you decide who's presenting what. Remember that needs to be roughly equal like it says in your rubric. Refer back to your rubric when doing every single step to make sure you have everything. And write notes of what you're going to present on your card. When you have that decided and ready between the members of your group, you need to practice your presentation. I'm okay if you go out in the hall if your sub is okay, so the sub gets the final say, because they're the ones there, not me. But you need to make sure to practice. Part of your grade on this is being prepared with your presentation. That's a big part, is preparation and being clear. And you're not going to be prepared or clear and confident if you don't practice. Part of that clarity and confidence is making eye contact. So you need to make sure not to just read your card, which is why it's important to practice your presentation. You need to make sure you can do it without staring at your 3x5 card and that you're confident. Because it was Friday last time, you should not have finished the slides yet. So you're going to finish doing that and practice when you're done. Because remember, a couple of things. Thing number one, you are going to grade each other on participation and helpfulness. So make sure everyone's participating and is actively helping. Two, you are going to be graded on persuasiveness and preparedness in your rubric. So make sure you're prepared. Try to think of questions that you might be asked so you can be prepared for those as well. And be prepared to defend your law. And thing number three, you are presenting next class. I will be back next class and we will be doing these presentations. So make sure you are prepared. You're double checking the rubric, making sure you are A-okay on every single step. You guys have impressed me so much this year, so I am 100% confident that your presentations are going to be some of the best I've ever seen. I'm going to have the sub play a good and bad example of presentations today so you can see the difference of a good and bad presentation and what we kind of expect. So you're going to see Robbie is the one giving the presentation, Quilter is the teacher in this scenario, and I'm a student asking questions. Okay, so go watch those two videos with the sub, and then make sure you're doing these three things today. If you have questions on anything, any part of this whole process, please email me. I'm happy to help. I am on a plane today, so it's going to be touch and go with my internet access and whether I'm not able to email back or not, but I will email back as soon as I can because I care about all of you. I'm excited to see you again. I'm sorry I haven't seen you in over a month and I miss you all. So I'm excited to see you on Thursday, and I hope you've had a great week and that this project has gone well for you. Again, if you have any questions, please email me. And have a great Tuesday, guys.